Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install Python and set up environment variable on Windows 11, 10. Download and install Python. Select Windows Installer. Search with Python in search bar, right-click Open File Location. Right-click Shortcut, click File Location. Copy folder path. Search and open Edit Environment Variables. Select path under System Variables. Paste folder path already copied. Copy folder path. Paste folder path. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.